Let's go over our sounds. Number 1. Yes, write it on number 1. What letter? Yes, U. Short U. U with a breathe. Number 2. Shh. Yes, shh. Write it. What letters? Digraph SH. Number 3. Z. Yes. Z. Write it. What letters? Digraph TH. Digraph TH. Number 4. Yes. Write it. It's a combination. What letters? WH. Combination WH. Number 5. Digraph. Ooh. Yes, ooh. Write it. What letters? O-O. Digraph O-O. Number 6. Ooh. Yes, ooh. Write it. What letters? It is also digraph O-O, the 2 sounds of O-O. Number 7. A. Yes, A. Write it. 2 ways. All right, you should have A consonant E and A with a macron. Both make the long A sound. Number 8. E. Yes, E. Write it. Okay. E-E. Digraph E-E can be at the middle or in the end of a word. And E with a macron. So you have E-E, comma, E with a macron, final E-E for the long E sound. And number 9, E. Yes, E. Write it. What letter? I with a breve, short I. I with a breve. Okay. Let's spell some review words. Number 10. Spell the word hood. My jacket has a hood on it. Tell me the sounds you hear in hood. Get ready. D. Again. D. Spell hood on number 10. All right, let's spell hood. H-O-O-D, hood. Number 11. Spell the word feet. The plural word for foot is feet. I have 2 feet. Tell me the sounds you hear in feet. Get ready. Eat. Again. Eat. Spell feet on number 11. All right, let's spell feet. You ready? F-E-E-T, feet. Number 12. Cave. Cave. It is very dark inside the cave. Sneaky E rule. Tell me the sounds you hear in cave. Get ready. A. Again. A. Cave. Sneaky E rule. Spell it on number 12. let's spell cave. C-A-V-E, cave. Cave. All right, now let's practice some of your new sight words, funny words. Remember, we just have to memorize how to spell them. Number 13, were. We were in first grade last year. Were. Spell were on number 13. Were, W-E-R-E, were. Check your work. Number 14, your. Your. I want to play at your house. Your. Spell your on 14. Your. All right, let's spell your. Y-O-U-R, your. And number 15, could. Could. I could go outside if Mom lets me. Could. Write could on number 15. Could. Spell it. C-O-U-L-D. Could. Could. Check your work. All right, now we're going to write a sentence. Remember, every sentence begins with a capital letter. We space in between each word. Stretch out the sounds and think about the spelling patterns you've learned in phonics. All right, and then at the end of our sentence, we end with a punctuation mark. If we're asking a question, we use a question mark. If we're showing strong emotion, we use an exclamation mark. And if you are telling someone something or telling them to do something, you use a period. That's it. All right, echo this sentence. Where are the ducks that were in the pond? One more time. Where are the ducks that were in the pond? Say it with me. Where are the ducks that were in the pond? One more time. Say it with me. Where are the ducks that were in the pond? Your turn. Yes, where are the ducks that were in the pond? What kind of punctuation mark should we put at the end of this sentence? We need a question mark because we are asking a question. Write the sentence, where are the ducks that were in the pond? On the lines at the bottom of your paper. Make sure you begin your sentence with a capital letter, space between your words, put your end mark, and stretch out your words. Do it now. Here's what your sentence should look like. Capital W in your sight word. Where. W-H-E-R-E spells where. Are the ducks. We have a suffix S to show more than one duck. That were. There's your sight word were. In the pond. Question mark. Now that one's a funny looking question mark. You can write yours normally. Alright, check your sentence. Make sure you have everything spelled right. You have your capital letter, spacing in between your words, and you have your question mark at the end. Guys, echo these words and listen to the sound in the final or end position. Milk, task, stink. What sound do you hear in the final position? Yes, we hear k. All right, I want you to look at these words and see what is happening with the k sound in these words. Milk, task, stink. What do all of these words end with, guys? They all end with K. They all end with K. What do you think all these words have in common that tells you to spell with K instead of CK? Do you see anything that's the same with them? Now let's look at them. They all have a short vowel sound. But is the short vowel sound beside the k sound? They have the short vowel sound and they have a consonant k. Consonant and then k. Consonant and then k. Alright. So, it looks like when it comes after a consonant, you spell with K, doesn't it? Alright, now listen to some other words. Echo. Book, peek, look. What sound do you hear at the end of those? We still hear that k sound, right? Book, peek, look. What do you notice about those? They're all spelled with K, right? Or do you see anything that's the same in these words? they all have a what? I see digraph OO, digraph EE, and this is digraph OO. They all have a digraph. That's right. And they all have vowel digraphs. So when we have a vowel digraph followed by k, we spell with K instead of CK. Very good. All right, now, who can remember when we spell with CK? We spell with CK after what kind of sound? After a short vowel sound. After a short vowel sound. Alright, so let's look at the rules. These are rules for the final k sound. Alright, I use CK after a short vowel sound. So if you hear a short vowel followed by k, you spell with CK. Alright, so we've got a, k. If you have a short vowel sound followed by k, it will be CK every time. So short vowel followed by k is CK, like in black, and in duck, and in lock. Alright? If you have a consonant followed by the k sound, or if you have a vowel digraph like OO and EE, you're going to spell with K. Like in milk, book, and week. And we're not ready for the other ones yet. Alright, here's your rule now. We're adding to our k sound rule. So now when I say k, you will write K or C at the beginning of a word. And now at the end, we've learned you can spell with CK or K. CK after a short vowel. We've learned K after a consonant or a vowel digraph. So here we go. K, comma, C, final, CK, K. All right, number 1. My turn. K. Yes, K. Write your new spelling pattern. K, comma, C, final, CK, comma, K. That is our new spelling pattern. We've added K to the final spellings. Number 2, let's do some spelling. Let's spell look. Look. I will look for my missing book. Look. Tell me the sound you hear in look. Get ready. Look. Again. Look. Look. Think about your sounds. You have the sound. That is a vowel digraph. So think about how you would spell the k sound at the end if you have a vowel digraph. Look. All right, let's check your work. Look, L-O-O-K, vowel digraph followed by K is spelled with a K. Look. Number 3, let's spell dark. Dark. At night, it is very dark. Tell me the sounds you hear in dark. Get ready. D. Ark. Again. D. Ark. Spell dark on number 3. Think about your rules. How you would spell the K sound at the end. Let's spell dark. D-A-R-K. Dark. All right, now we did not talk about combinations, but we have a consonant followed by K is spelled K. D-A-R-K. That's how you follow that rule. All right, number 4, back. Back. My teacher said I have to go to the back of the line. Back. Back. Number 4, spell back. Tell me the sound you hear. B. A. K. Again. B. A. K. Think about it. Short vowel sound followed by K. Think about how you're going to spell it. All right, let's spell back. B-A-C-K. Short vowel sound followed by K is C-K. C-K after a short vowel sound. All right, read the words at the bottom to someone at home. Have spell them out loud as well to someone, and they can check them off for you to continue to practice. All right, turn it over, and let's go over your coding. It's actually not coding today. We're actually going to work on, oh, I forgot it's on this one today. All right, today we're going to look at the words and decide if you need a CK or a K to finish the word. All right, so we're working on the K sound. When spelling the final K sound, you use CK after a short vowel. You use K after a consonant or a vowel digraph. All right, so let's look at it. Number 1. Let's sound it out. Ook. All right, if we've got a vowel digraph, will it be CK or K? All right, it tells us after a vowel digraph, we spell with K. B-O-O-K is book. Write in your K on number 1. Number 2, let's sound it out. K-l-eek, click. All right, we've got a short vowel sound. So will we spell with C-K or K? All right, our rule tells us short vowel sound is C-K. Click, C-L-I-C-K, click. Write it in. Number 3, B-L-A-C. All right, we've got a short vowel sound. Will it be C-K or K? All right, followed by a short vowel sound is C-K. Fill it in. Number 4, week, week. I have a vowel digraph. So will I spell with C-K or K? All right, the rule says after a consonant or vowel digraph, I spell with K. W-E-E-K is week. Number 5.